Well, she's naked now. I removed the hood to paint it black, but what if we do something? I can use the plotter and cut some vinyls, you know, some cool shit. I'm tired of seeing this boring. It's a long ass logo. And this is the silver for the stars. This is the base color. I'm gonna put the logo here, stars, stars, stars everywhere. Paint over all black and then remove the vinyl and it's gonna be black and silver. All right, this is the thing that I print and here are all the stars. I have to work quick because I don't want this to start fucking the paint. So I'm gonna stick in there, paint over and take it off right away. Okay, and it happened what I was expecting to happen. You see, even that this is Oracle 651, this is low tag. And here we go. Yeah, fuck it. And this is it. Now I have to paint all black and then remove the stickers and it's gonna be black and silver. This is the black that I'm gonna use, satin black. And let's put this one, it's pretty fat, with the adapter of course. There you go. Remember these graffiti tips, you can find them in any graffiti shop. 4 of them for $1. This is 40 cents or something like that. Pretty amazing. And it's windy, I'm getting close because of that. And that's it, it's drying now. And of course I fucked it up. It was perfect. And then I said, oh, one more right here because I still have paint. Don't do that. Same on the track. Oh, one more lap. That's when you crash. Okay, just remove this. I knew this is gonna happen, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna keep it like that. If it bothers me, I may paint this by hand, but for now, oh boy, I'm excited. Look at this. Again, this is not high quality work. Yesterday I was planning to paint it black, so this is extra. It has some type of texture looking. I'm not that mad. Let me show you how this looks. And this is pretty sick. For a drift car, it's more than enough. This is awesome. I'm excited to put it back.